Alright guys, so here it is. As promised, we got the Jeep high altitude with the bronze wheels. I got this Jeep about a week and a half ago for my wife. Didn't even know about it for our 19th anniversary. She has always loved the white Jeep. We had a 17 JK and sold it, and she was very upset. We had a 2020 JL silver in color, but she didn't like it. But anyways, let's talk about the high altitude. What's all been done to it so far? What kind of Jeep we're sitting on? For some of you guys already know. If you guys are the Jeep guys, you already know what kind of vehicle this is. Hey guys, I want to say I do appreciate all my subscribers. We finally hit 1,000, baby. So we're going to be giving away some free prizes. Don't forget, if you haven't already, get you some merch, guys. That helps the channel out tremendously. Helps me continue to do these videos. The link is listed below. As you can see, I got the MJ Garage hat on, guys. Helps support the channel. Helps tremendously. We're going to go a little further in depth and talk about it. But hey, she's looking good, guys. Looking good. So let's go ahead and just jump into it. This is a 2022 Jeep Wrangler Sahara high altitude. One of the things that we love about this Jeep, and that one of the things that they changed up, is it's got the painted handles, the painted mirrors, painted bumpers, painted fender. I mean, everything is painted, guys. It is got a painted gas lid. Turned out really good. Even when you take the top off, you got the painted rails on the inside. For a 2022, guys, you could not pass up the price. This is a 2.0 turbo. No, it's not a 392. And it's not a V6 V-Star engine. It's pretty much loaded down to the bells and whistles on it. It's got the LED headlights. It's got the running lights, it's got the LED fog lights, LED tail lights, anything you could think of, guys. It's already pretty much comes on there. This has got a terraflex 1.5 leveling kit. Terraflex, like I said, and sits pretty, guys. Now I've got it sitting on a slope right now, but just to give you that look, what we ended up doing, this is a 35 12.5 20 Nitto Grappler MT, guys. Yeah, that's right. Nitto Grappler. Didn't go with the Toyos. His sister company, same company. Look at the meat, guys. Plenty of meat. Brand new tires. $500 a piece. Ain't nothing but a chicken wing. But let's talk about these wheels, guys. This is a new fuel rebar. This is the bronze edition. It does have an accent. If you notice, you can see it's got it milled around the edge, which I didn't notice that at first, but you know what, guys? You can't even tell when you're going down the road. It's very subtle. Beautiful. I was afraid of going with the bronze. We've always went with black, but you know, there's so many white Jeeps out there with the black wheels. And the one thing about the bronze wheels is it makes the Jeep pop more. It doesn't take away, but definitely you're obviously looking at the bronze wheels on the white Jeep, right? Every time you go by a white Jeep with black wheels, what do you look at? You look at the Jeep. So not only are you looking at the Jeep, guys, but we're looking at the wheels. These are a 20x10 with a -18 offset, guys. It's got a nice little poke. Nothing too far. Got to keep that Jeep looking clean, guys. Looking clean. Now, we haven't did anything with the suspension yet, but we're going to be running the Fox 2.0s, and we're also going to run a Fox 2.0 ATS steering stabilizer. I believe that's what it is. It's a single shock. We're going to get that on there. get this thing riding like it's supposed to. But hey, I gotta tell you guys, this thing rides like a dream, guys, like a dream. The only reason why we're gonna be doing the Fox shocks is just because on the bumpy roads you can definitely feel the play, and then whenever you obviously have these big tires on here, you're gonna feel that walk. A little bit of walk, a little bit, you know, normal on a Jeep, but hey guys, what can you expect? But man, I tell you what, if you guys don't know my buddies down there at Extreme Performance over in Stuart, Florida, you got to check them out, guys. You got to check them out. They will get you right and tight for the right money, guys. All you have to do is just spend a little bit of money and make that dream come true. Now, unless you want to spend about $50,000 to $60,000 on a new Jeep, let me show you what this one looks like. Not bad, guys. Just put these floor mats in. These are the 3W Auto Life. I love that tire look. And then we also added the center console cover. Now, I did replace this, but got the wrong one. So you can see it doesn't fit all the way, but whoever had this Jeep before, they tried to pull the cup holder out and it's got a light in it, so you cannot take that out. You got to clean it. But anyway, love this diamond stitching here with the gold or bronze. I would say this is more of a bronze thread all the way around. And yeah, it's got the 8.4 U-Connect. Turned out really good. This is a really nice looking Jeep, guys, for the price of what we paid for it. Cannot complain. There you go. You see the mats here in the rear. Now, we did not add the bracket here in the back. Some of you guys are going to say, hey, man, you need to add the bracket. We're going to go ahead and add that bracket. But, hey, I had to do a quick upgrade on the Jeep before my wife got in it for the anniversary. So if you haven't seen the short, go check it out. I got the short posted of the surprise. We got the rear mat in there as well. This thing is awesome, guys. For the price, like I said, you cannot go wrong. Just so everybody can see, I'm not lying, guys. This is a 2.0. And we've had this engine in our last Jeep. Really loved the way it performed. Nothing been done to it yet. There's some modifications that can be done, guys, and we're definitely going to get it. Just so everybody can see, we got 47,000 miles on the Jeep. Just broke in, baby. Just broke in. Got a tremendous deal on it, guys. Got it for half price. Half the price is a new one. Is what I spent for this one, guys. So that can kind of give you a determining factor on how much I paid for it. One of the things, though, the reason why we went this route instead of going to like a Tacoma, which I really wanted to get, but I know my wife wanted, is because it's got four-wheel drive in the floor, baby. We can do some flat towing behind the camper. Definitely got to get that, boys. Got to get that thing hooked up. But the nice thing is, we hit the weight right where we want to be. And guys, this thing flies, bro. This thing gets down. Let me put the seatbelt on. Not bad for a little 2.0. I mean, come on, guys. You know, like, and that's without the tuner on it. That's without the tuner, guys. But if you haven't already, don't forget, hit the like button off to the side. Get the bell notifications. That way you don't miss none of the MJ Garage videos, because we got a lot more coming to you. We're going to be doing some more upgrades on the Ram, guys. We're going to be doing some more upgrades on the Jeep. And we're always going to be doing something at MJ Garage. I do appreciate you guys watching. Have a good one, and we'll see you on the next one.